guys, welcome back to the shed. Just out here putting around, watching little man rip around, and I realized I owe you guys a video. I got a message the other day just asking about some updates. I mentioned in a previous video that I'd do like a mid-summer recap of how the little mods are doing, so I thought I'd let you guys know. So let's take a look at them. Okay, so the first thing I did was the warning labels, and I caught some flack for using Goo Gone, handy Goo Gone. But honestly, it didn't hurt a thing. Plastics still look good, didn't fade anything. I have some unrelated scratches over there. If you want to use Goo Gone, I say go for it. Again, what do I know? People said use gas, but to me that would be harder on it. I don't know. Goo Gone seemed to work for me. Do with it what you will. Little man just keeps doing laps, and I'm gonna keep going. Next thing would be the halos and the rock lights. The halos are from Far Mudding. The rock lights are just from Amazon. Both of them seem to work good. I get a lot of questions and comments on the Far Mudding halos, so I'll put their link in the description. Amazon one, if you want it, let me know. Hit me in the comments and I'll send you the link. But I recommend those two. This I really didn't do a video on. That's just a winch strap I got from winchleader.com, I think. Holding up well though, I'd recommend it. Next little update is the OMC seals, the airbox seal, which is under there. I'm not gonna bother taking that out, and the trunk box seal. The airbox seal, I would vouch for. I've had it that deep and close to that deep with water splashing around a few times. I know it should be more, razz on me if you want, but I would say that works. I would vouch for that. The trunk box seal, however, I don't know, man. The muddy water still gets in there. Things still get a little damp. I would say it probably works a lot better than the factory one, which keeps nothing out, but it still lets water in. So it helps, but I wouldn't say it's the end-all solution. So if you're looking to just get one of them, airbox seal, I mean, you're gonna do what you want anyway. Just my opinion. I wouldn't bother with the trunk box one. Not to say these guys don't make good products. Maybe I didn't install it perfect. I don't know, but you saw it was dirty in there. Other than that, we got the passenger seat just chilling up there that I installed with the Linq clips. That is working good. It's holding up with all four of them on there. Not really having any problems at all. So I'd still recommend doing it that way. The only thing I'd suggest is take your time when you're cutting it out so that the holes are a little smaller than what I got. Keep ripping, dude. Next up, we got the painted rad cover. This here is holding up great. I've been out with people in front of me, getting rocks flung at me. Nothing's chipped so far. I mean, maybe it just didn't hit there, but I've washed it. It's been in the snow, the rain, the mud, everything, and the paint's holding up good. So if you're looking to paint your rad cover, I'd suggest hitting up that video, DIY painted rad or DIY custom rad, I think I called it. Anyway, I'll put the link to that video and all the videos of the stuff I'm talking about down in the description so that if you're interested, you can find this stuff. But yeah, the way I went about painting this, I would say works. And while we're on the topic of painting stuff, the gas jug. I didn't want a bright red gas can on the back of the tan and orange beast, so I tried to paint it, and yeah, it wasn't overly successful. As you can see, she's got a big chip out of it there, a little one down there, a little one there, and I've only had it out once. So that's just from throwing it on the back, maybe moving it around the shed, and you know, painting plastic is a son of a, keeping it PG. Painting plastic isn't overly fun, so it didn't hold up, but it was worth a try anyway. I don't know if I would have added more primer if that would have helped, if I would have put another coat of paint if that would have helped, or just painting plastic sucks. I don't know. But again, thought it was worth a shot. Now we know. What's up, little man? Having fun? Right on, buddy. And almost last, but certainly not least, the MRP exhaust. Man, I love the way this thing sounds. It's different than something like an RJWC and certainly an Empire. It's not that loud. It's got a nice performance sound to it. It doesn't drone in your ears and really annoy you on the long run. It's just a great sound, super easy to install. and you don't need a tuner. I've gotten comments about people saying I should run a tuner anyway, no matter what. Maybe I will someday, maybe I won't. But like their website says, with this MBRP slip-on exhaust, you don't need a tuner. Promise, you don't need a tuner. And by I promise, I mean they promise. Don't take my word for it. Go by what they say. Other than that, haven't really done too many mods to it. That really is it. Only other thing would be the handlebar riser, which I put on 2 videos ago. So don't really have a review on that yet. Right off the bat, I can tell you it feels way better standing up and riding. If you stand a lot when you ride, I highly recommend getting a riser, especially from OMD. Things sweet. Got the RJWC shifter and the gas cap, and I put the Can-Am handguards on there. I already came with the snorkel, so I didn't do that. So yeah, that's it. Any other videos or updates you guys want to see from me, let me know in the comments. I don't know if I'm going to do anything else to this thing or not. I might tune it at some point. I don't know if I'm going to go with the little Blinky box fuel tuner or take it somewhere and get the monster tune, flash tune done. I don't know. I think it's pretty much how I want it right now. I got the riser. I like the cryptids. I know everyone says go with sassies, but I like keeping my axles, so I'm probably going to stick with the cryptids. So yeah, I think I'm going to run it how it is now for a while. But if you got good ideas for mods, let me know, and it might entice me a little bit. Especially if you got discount codes. Hit me up. Help a boy out. So that's it. That's it for the video. So like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Peace.